Is your child continually getting out of bed during the night and you know that all their needs have been met and it's just that they want to see you again and have you tuck them back in? If this is the case, then I have a few options for you to try if you're finding that having to tuck them in continually through the night is disrupting their sleep and yours too. If you feel that your child will benefit from a rewards method, you could create a rewards chart together, which would outline all the things that they need to do before they go to sleep and during the course of the night in order to receive a reward. I would give them a reward every single morning if they've achieved what they need to do, and then by the end of the week agree on a bigger reward so that they feel that they've achieved something huge. If you feel like you want to try a different method, then there's also the bedroom passes. Again, create a bedroom pass together, which is essentially like a ticket, and they can color it in with you. And if they're waking up, say, multiple times during the course of the night, then you can agree on a number of bedroom passes that you would give your child overnight to use for when they need you. So if your child is waking up, for example, 3 times during the course of the night, and you're having to tuck them in every single time, then maybe give them 2 bedroom passes to use per night in exchange for being tucked back into bed. Or if they're being tucked in twice over the course of the night, then maybe start with 1 bedroom pass a night. If your child then doesn't use their bedroom pass and does stay in their bed overnight, then you can absolutely exchange this pass in the morning for a small gift. After your child is able to stay in bed during the course of the night and not use their bedroom passes for a few days, then you can swap the bedroom passes for a large celebration or an activity that you've decided to do together as a huge reward. If you do decide to go ahead with the rewards method, whether that be a rewards chart or a bedroom pass method, I would sit down with your child and have a family meeting before you start at a time where they're really fresh and alert, and explain the method to them. Do let them know that they have to keep a promise to try and agree to the rewards chart method and do their best. And also, if they're doing the bedroom passes, they're going to try to hold off on using the passes if they do want the reward in exchange for it. And you will make a promise to them that you will give them the reward should they meet the criteria. Generally, with the rewards method, after achieving their tasks for at least a week or so, we find that children naturally start to sleep much better through the night, and you can then wean them off the rewards method very simply. These methods will generally work best for children who are aged at least 3 and over, for them to understand the method and be able to follow through with it.